He pressed this fire alarm and it didn't work.
Just imagine this pull station's not working. There's a fire here. People are running out of the office. Somebody pulls the pull station thinking it's gonna call the fire department and it doesn't work. Then that person who didn't fix that pull station is liable. Yeah, these have to be working at all times. You have a small fire, you pull a pull station, you don't want that fire to grow where you can't control it anymore. You want the fire department here as soon as possible. A lot of times clients feel like, hey, I'll just put this off, and then accidents happen, right? It's kind of like driving without insurance. You know, you don't need it, but when you have an accident, you're grateful that you had it.